Alright, we are taking a look at a pretty good Zippo today. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box with the protective sleeve. And the sleeve says Zippo Red Vintage Wrap. And it's got the normal black box. And it also says Zippo Red Vintage Wrap on the above the barcode. It's got the California warning on it, and it was made in Bradford, PA. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. Here is a first look at it. It's got a couple things I really like. It's got the Zippo spelled out in two places on the front, and it's got their proprietary or registered trademark, the big red flame. And you can see it's wrapped around the side, around two sides, but there's nothing on the back. And this looks like their ironstone finish, but it really isn't. It just looks like stone. Now their ironstone, I have an example of that. This is the ironstone. They look a lot alike, but this one is much rougher. It's got a real coarse texture, and this one's really smooth. That's the vintage one. But this one has a steel insert. Got a good sound. Lights up nice. And it was made in, looks like E. That's May of 18. Excellent stampings on this. That is the vintage wrap. It's a really good one. And the only other one I have with another similar plaque on the front is this one. That's about the same size. Red flame. It's another good one. But let's do a drop test on this vintage. A lit drop test. So there is the red wrap vintage Zippo, a really nice one. Heavy duty plate that's wrapped around. And yeah, it deserves a little more cowbell. Knuckle bomb.